Hello folks, Gino here with Texas Best Used Motorcycles in Mansfield, Texas with a 2012 Harley Davidson Tri-Glide trike that I want to show you. It's like an ultra classic turned into a trike. It's got the lower leg fairings, bat wing fairing, wind deflectors here. Comes with a 103 motor and a 6-speed. Got the emergency brake down here. Big, nice, comfortable touring saddle. Got the same tour pack as the Ultra Classic with the passenger speakers and the controls back here for volume and changing the station, that sort of thing. It's got full onboard electronics from rider to passenger. Got some chrome up here, some chrome trim around the radio. It does have AM, FM, CD player, and this bike's got a CB radio. It's got your push to talk here. Audio adjustment here for your radio. Electronic cruise control sets right here. Electric reverse. Well, it's fixed up. It's a dandy. Got storage down here in your lower leg fairings. Door packs. Pretty nice. Got a rider backrest right there. That's real handy. That may be, I think that's locked. No, it's not. You got some nice storage in there. This is the Tri-Glide. It's not a trike conversion. It's actually Harley Davidson's trike. Comes from the factory this way. Everything looks pretty good on it. It may have a couple of tiny little spots here on the front of this fender. It looks like a little rock peck there, and there might be one here, maybe one there, just tiny little spots. And some bitty hairline scratches there. Not bad at all for a 2012. Tour pack looks real good. Don't see anything on it. Body looks good. Over here on this fender, there may be a little chip there and here. Here on the tank, I don't think that's just some kind of residue that came off. Anyway, the bike looks great. Runs real good. Fire it off and let you listen to it. Yeah, it's only got 6,946 miles on it. Pops right off. We ran it through our shop and checked it out, so it's in good shape. About 15 minutes from DFW International Airport, so you could actually fly in, we could pick you up, you could do the deal and ride this one home. Or we selling ship bikes all over the world, wouldn't be any problem to put this one in your driveway for you. Got some great financing, some great extended warranty options. We'll take almost anything in on trade. Call our sales team at 817-985-8888. They can tell you all about it. You can go online and see our complete inventory at texasbestusedmotorcycles.com. This is Gino. Thanks for looking.